Dhaba style egg masala gravy curry. This egg masala recipe has a unique taste. We can serve it along with rice, roti or chapati. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the pan is hot, add 4 boiled eggs. Fry it for 3 minutes. Keep it for later use. Into the same oil, add half teaspoon cumin seeds and wait until it splutters. Then add 2 chopped green chilies, 2 dry chilies. Saute it for 2 minutes. Then add 2 finely chopped onions. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. Now add 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Saute it for 5 minutes on medium flame. Then add half cup of chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Cook for 1 minute on medium flame. After 1 minute, add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon Kasmiri Red Chilli powder, 2 teaspoon Coriander Powder, half teaspoon Garam Masala powder, half teaspoon pepper powder. Mix it well. Add a splash of water and mix it well. Cook on low heat for 2 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Add 2 tomato paste and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it for 5 minutes until the oil separates. Now add 250 ml or 1 cup of water. Give a stir. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Open the lid. Add the fried eggs and give a stir. You can add more water if you need more gravy. Cover and cook for 3 minutes on medium flame. Finally, add 1 tablespoon crushed Kasuri Methi and mix it well. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes on low heat. Switch off the flame. Our tasty Dhaba style egg masala gravy curry is ready. Serve it along with rice, roti or chapati for best taste.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.